All right, here we are in the Crockford proper, or Crockford East. We are on the 66th floor, so the very, very top. Now, when you stay in the Crockfords, just kind of like, you do get this little complimentary souvenir key that you can use to open your room or go around the casino. Or they'll give you your standard, regular little square debit card looking credit card keys. So when you first walk in, off to your left is the guest bathroom, or at least in this case, just off the entrance. Of course, configurations can slightly change for any of your guests to come by and use. And we are on the 66th top floor, so I do get a slightly larger ceiling and a slightly larger window to work with. But we've got some pretty artwork, a nice mirror when you walk in. And you first start off in the living room. So I have controls for the lights as well as the drapes and shears. I've got the artwork, I've got a couch, I've got some chairs, one of the TVs, and our little bar area. The common snacks that you'll see. We got our own coffee, of course, water, ice, and then you have your own personal little fridge that you can use to chill your own little drinks. And although these look like they might open, we tested, these three don't. So we really only actually have one little drawer to work with. And then a nice view of the strip outside, and I'll show in a little bit. But a little present from our host, some chocolate covered strawberries and some champagne to start our day off. And I'm gonna move into the bedroom. And every room does have a nice digital control pad to control the temperature, fan, etc. for your room. The bedroom again, huge ass window, vaulted window. And in the bedroom right here, we've got this nice little chill out seat. So I can just chill, relax, open up the drapes, watch all of Vegas. And I've got this nice little table here that I can work on my laptop. The other TV. And then the bed itself. So on one side of the bed, we've got this nice little alarm clock as well as speaker, and it comes with 2 USBs and 1 Type-C port. And then of course you have controls on this side and 2 free outlets. Unfortunately, the other side of the bed does not have any USB ports or devices. It does have controls for the room, so both sides can control the room, but it does have 2 outlets and that's it. And a nice long day in Vegas, guess what? This can come in very handy. And then off the bedroom, of course, is the master main bathroom. So you walk in here and straight away you see a nice deep soaking tub. Nice little tray there you can work with. Put your phone on or snacks or whatever while you're drink and soak in the tub. And the little table for the bath comes with, of course, a soap bar, bath caviar, and then a nice little scrub pad, almost like a loofah thing. has 2 sink sets along with a extra lighted magnified vanity mirror. And then a cool thing, actually, this vanity mirror is also actually a Bluetooth speaker. So, amenities in the bathroom. We've got an Aquamint dental rinse, a shower cap, a vanity kit, manicure kit, and dental kit. The vanity kit contains a couple of cotton swabs and a nice little cotton cloth. And the manicure kit contains some nail clippers, some tweezers, and a nail file and buffer. So the dental kit is of course a toothbrush and then a little small 5 gram or 0.17 ounces of toothpaste. We've got the toilet with that just opens up automatically for me the moment I touch the button. So there's digital control for the toilet. As you can see, you can control the cover, the seat, the flush, the temperature of the seat, if you want it warmer or whatnot. Then you have the bidet wand, and you can either do the front, back, got a little fan dryer or ultraviolet cleaning. You can change the water temperature, do a little massage, and adjust the pressure. And then I have the shower itself. 6'4". And look, I can stand under the shower head, I could jump, and I'm perfectly fine. That's a very rare thing, especially for people my height. I'm usually ducking underneath a shower head. And of course they have these hand pumps for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then this really cool, down the hallway, right here, we have the closet area. So a big, giant 3-angle mirror that you can adjust so you can see every single angle of yourself. And then we have the closet space. I got 2 opening up closets on this side, a couple of pull-out drawers, and it comes with a little shoehorn as well. And then on the opposite side, we've got 1 pull-out drawer with our ironing board, laundry bags, all the hangers, a couple little pull-out drawers themselves. And this one has a mirror on the inside as well. And then another little smaller opening closet for the bathrobes and slippers. And something I didn't discover until much later in our trip, the safe is actually in a drawer underneath the TV, not in the closets like it most commonly is. As always, thank you guys for watching. And for those of you that continue to watch, take a moment, write in the comments down below of some of the things that you would like us to bring to you for next time.